Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language lessons. This morning, in one of my online language classes, we were discussing our experiences of having to take things back to shops after we'd bought them because there'd been some kind of problem with them, and our experiences of trying to get a refund. And one of my students had this great story about how about 15 years ago, suddenly, almost overnight, everyone in her city suddenly started wearing green shoes. They appeared overnight and very quickly they became all the rage. And she felt that she had to go out and buy a pair as well, just to keep up with what everyone else was doing. If you say that something is all the rage, or it becomes all the rage, you mean that it's very popular or it becomes very popular at one time. For example, in my field, English language teaching, I've noticed that a recent trend is for teachers to no longer call themselves teachers, but to rebrand themselves as English language coaches, in the same way as you now get life coaches, because coaching is all the rage at the moment. At the same time, because of the concerns about the looming climate catastrophe, more and more people are switching to either hybrid cars or e-cars, electric cars, and e-car companies are now all the rage. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button below, share it with your friends, and in the comment section below, we'd love to hear examples of things that are all the rage where you live, or that are all the rage in your field of work.